Hello everyone, welcome back to the last and final video of our WhatsApp Business API integration series. In the previous video, we set up your WhatsApp Business API on the LeminAi dashboard. Now, you might think that you are done and ready to start your messaging customers, but there's one absolutely critical step remaining. Without this step, your WhatsApp Business API will not work when you try to send messages. That step is called adding payment method to your WhatsApp API account. Before we log in, let me quickly explain why this step is necessary. You might be thinking, why do I need to add a debit or credit card? I thought WhatsApp message was free. Well, here's how it works. When you send message to customers through WhatsApp Business API, Meta charges you a small fee per message. That's why Meta needs a payment method so they can charge you for these messages. Without a valid payment method, their system will block your ability to send messages even though your account is set up. So this isn't an option, it's mandatory. And if you face any issues during this process, stick around till the end because I will share you how you can get an immediate help from my team on a quick Google Meet call. Let's complete your setup. Now there are two ways to reach the payment method section, depending on where you are in your setup journey. Let me show how both the path works so you can use whichever is relevant to you. First, you need to go to your business portfolio. After that, look at the left sidebar. You should see an option called Billing and Payments. Click on it. Now you will see the billing dashboard. Here you will see a different section for different Meta product and services. You need to click on the WhatsApp business account. You should now see a WhatsApp business account listed. Now it will show your business name. Click on your account to select it. Once your account is selected, look for a button that says Add Payment Method. Click on it. This will open the payment form where you can add your credit card or debit card details. Now here's something very important about the card you use. The card must have an international transaction enabled, even if you're using it in India or any other country. So your bank needs to allow international transaction on that card. Let's say you don't have a credit card, even a debit card would work, but it has to be enabled the international transaction and auto pay too. Many people face issues because their card are international transaction disabled by default for the security reasons. If you're not sure whether your card is international transaction enabled, it is better to check with your bank before proceeding. Or you can try adding it and see if it goes through. If it doesn't work, you'll need to call or visit your bank and ask them to enable international transaction and then try again. After filling in all the card details, you need to click on Save. Meta system will now process your card information and verify with the bank. This is where the OTP verification comes in. Within a few seconds, you should receive an OTP on the mobile number that's linked to your credit card or debit card. Once you receive the OTP, click Submit or Verify. Now here comes a very important step that many people miss. And then they wonder why their WhatsApp isn't working. You need to make sure that this card is set up as your default payment method. Now what does this mean? Meta allows you to have multiple payment methods, but only one can be default. And that's the one they actually charge when you send the messages. If your newly added card isn't set as a default, Meta won't use it and your message will fail. So here's what you need to do. Next to your card details, look for an indication of whether it's default payment method. Some interfaces shows a badge saying default or check mark. If you don't see this or if you see any other old card marked as default, you need to change it. Look for three dots or a menu icon next to your card. Click on it. You should see option in a drop-down menu. Look for an option that says set as default or make default payment method. Click on it. Meta will now set this card as your default payment method. Refresh the page if needed and verify your card now that shows as the default payment method. Now, there's one more thing you might need to add, and that's your business info where you need to add details like currency, time zone, business name, business address, and GST if you're in India. And even if you added GST details earlier during the setup process, still you have to do that here again. Though it's written that adding GST detail is optional, it is actually not. You have to mandatorily add the GST number here. Now here's the important thing. What if you don't have a GST for a particular business? Maybe you're below the GST threshold, or maybe you're a freelancer, or maybe new to a business venture that isn't GST registered yet. Can you still proceed? Yes, you can. In that case, you can use another business GST detail if you have another GST registered business. Many entrepreneurs have multiple businesses. You can use a GST form from any of the businesses. Maybe from your friend and family will also work. Alright, now that your payment method is added and set as default and your GST details are filled in applicable, it's time to go back to LeminAi dashboard and officially finish the setup. Go back to the tab where you have the LeminAi open and refresh the page once. If it's closed, just go to chat.leminai.com and log in again. Congratulations, your WhatsApp Business API integration is now completed. Your account is fully set up and ready to use. But wait, before you start using it for your business, we need to confirm that everything is working properly. Let me show you how to test your setup. On your LeminAi dashboard, look for an option called Chat. Click on it. This will take you to the chat interface where you need to receive and send the messages. Now take out your any other phone number that's different from your business WhatsApp number. Open WhatsApp on that phone and send a test message on your WhatsApp API number. If you use option 1 and connected your existing WhatsApp, send a message to that number. If you use option 2 and got a virtual number or added a new number, send a message to that number. The message can be anything, just as hi or test message and send it. Now go back to your LeminAi dashboard and look at the chat or inbox section. If your setup is successful, you should see that test message appear in the LeminAi inbox within a few seconds. If you see the message appearing there, perfect. Your WhatsApp API is working correctly. You can now start using it for your business, sending messages to your customers, setting up automated responses, running campaigns, and everything else that WhatsApp Business API has offers. What if the message doesn't appear? What if you send a message that that doesn't show up on the LeminAi inbox? This could mean that there's some configuration issue somewhere during the process. Maybe your payment method isn't properly set as default. Maybe there's a sync issue between Meta and LeminAi. Maybe your phone number completely, the verification isn't done completely. Maybe there's something, that Meta Manager has done and that need adjustment. These type of issues can happen occasionally and they are usually quick to fix once someone looks at your specific setup. But diagnosing them yourself can be frustrating and time consuming. So here's what I want you to do if you face any issues at any step throughout this integration process. Don't waste your time struggling. Just reach out to us at leminai.com or 9682828181. The contact number is also there in the description box. My team is standing by and ready to help you. We'll take you into a quick 2-minute Google Meet call, share you the screen, and we'll fix every issues that you're facing right there in the real time. Whether it's the payment method not be applicable, the GST detail not saving, or whatever it is, we'll fix it immediately. We are Meta's official tech partner for WhatsApp Business API solutions. We successfully set up thousands of WhatsApp Business API accounts for businesses across all industries. We know every possible issues that can come up during this integration process, and we know how exactly to fix each one of them. You're not just getting a generic support. You're getting expert help from people who do this every single day. So please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here specifically there to help you succeed with WhatsApp Business API. And with that, we've reached the end of the complete WhatsApp Business API integration series. If you followed along the video 1 all the way to here and now you have a working WhatsApp Business API account, I just want to congratulate you. You've just unlocked one of the most powerful marketing and customer communication tools available in the businesses today. Now, it's time to actually use your WhatsApp Business API and make your business stand out just like the big companies like Amazon, Domino's, Nike, whatsoever. You have the same technology that they use right at your fingertips. To learn how to actually use the LeminAi platform to send messages, create campaigns, get automated messages, how to manage your team, make the most out of these powerful features, make sure that you also watch our LeminAi dashboard demo video. The link is provided in the description box. The video will show you how to transform your customer communication and boost your business API, very smartly. If you found this video helpful and you found this entire series helpful, please do give this video a big like and all the videos as well. If you are new to your channel, subscribe right now so you don't miss any further tutorial tips or tools that we share to help your business grow. In this small digital world, it's time to do smart marketing, and we are committed to bringing you the tools and technologies, that matches you. Thank you so much for watching this entire series. I hope you're now successfully using WhatsApp Business API for your business. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing with LeminAi. See you in the next video.